Okay, Assalamualaikum. I'm Najib. I completed my bachelor's in engineering. After that, unfortunately, I had to go through some study gap. So when the things were in my favor, I decided to start over. Then, like usual, I started to search in the web. Unfortunately, found Sagar Sir's YouTube channel and Facebook pages, and I found them really informative. So I decided to start the IELTS course with Sir, and I must say that the course materials are intense and very informative. The duration for the course is 3 months, but for the people who are having a very hectic schedule and like family jobs and all, they can take the opportunity to stay in the course for longer period of time, like as Sir promises us to give us the opportunity to continue the course until we get the desired score. So here the classmates are so cooperative and we learn from each other. Okay, so as English is not our native language, so practice sessions and feedback are essential. I must say that Sagar Sir is very specific in these both cases, like he allocates some time in every class for speaking practice, and we get 5 days in a week to do that. And about the feedback, Sir is very sincere about that as well. And any kind of question related to higher education to abroad and work facilities and all, he welcomes all our queries and answers them perfectly. Moreover, you are welcome with any of your obstacles in writing, in speaking, and I can assure that once you are in contact with Sir, like with United English World, then you must experience the development. I wish Sagar Sir and United English World the best.